When summers are fading away and winter is coming, what will be the best travel destination to travel in India? And my answer will be Rajasthan. Royal palaces, great history, massive fort, and some yummy Rajasthani cuisine. This is the pink city. আর রাজা মহারাজাদের শহরে তো আপনি আপনি রয়্যাল ফিলিং চলেই আসবে। I am Devusmita and welcome to my blog. Today we are in the pink city, Jaipur. Welcome to Jaipur. I spent 3 days in the city and experiencing the food, culture and the different place in the city. Also, lot of you guys comment and ask me to make video in English. So today in my video I will speak both English and Bengali. The city Jaipur was founded in the year 1727 by the then Rajput ruler Maharaja Jai Singh II. It is the earliest planned city of modern India, which is designed by Vidyadhar Bhattacharya. Jaipur is known for its culture, big forts, monument and temple. And I don't want to miss anything. So let's explore it together. তো সবার ফার্স্টে আমরা যাব পত্রিকা গেট। এই জায়গাটি মেন সিটি থেকে 20 কিলোমিটার দূরে অবস্থিত। বাট ইটস টোটালি ওর্থ ইট। আমি শিওর এই জায়গার ছবি তোমরা আগেই দেখেছো বিকজ ইট ইজ ভেরি ফেমাস অল ওভার ইনস্টাগ্রাম। Patrika Gate is part of Jawahar Garden. Basically, it's a public park and it is free to visit for everyone. I recommend একটু early morning এখানে এসো to avoid the crowd. This place is must visit for photography. Now we will go to Gaitarki Kshatriya. The Gaitarki Kshatriya is a complex of temple and tombs in the foothill of the Nahargarh Fort. It is famous for umbrella-shaped cenotaphs called Chhatris. Hence the place is called Gaitarki Kshatriya. It was the royal crematorium for the majestic rulers of Rajasthan. Maharaja Jai Singh II, the founder of Jaipur, chose the site in 18th century. Since 1733, every Kachwa king has been cremated here. The entry charge for Gaitar is ₹30 per person for Indian. এবার চলো একটু উপরের দিকে যাওয়া যাক। The next destination is Nahargarh Fort. The entry charge of Nahargarh Fort is ₹50 for Indian, ₹200 for foreigners and ₹5 per person for Indian student. The Nahargarh Fort was built in 1734 by Maharaja Jai Singh II, located on the mighty Aravalli range. Nahargarh Fort offers spectacular views of the city of Jaipur. The massive fortification wall of this fort extends to reach up to the Jaigarh Fort and which form a wall of defense around the city of Jaipur. Throughout its history, this fort never faced any attack. Nahargarh Fort is designed in the Indo-European style of architecture. The sunset of Nahargarh Fort is very beautiful, so you must visit Nahargarh Fort in sunset. The next ডেস্টিনেশন ইজ আমির ফোর্ট। রেড স্যান্ডস্টোন আর মার্বেলে তৈরি এই আমির ফোর্ট জয়পুরের সবচেয়ে বড় ট্যুরিস্ট অ্যাট্রাকশন।
লাইফে প্রথমবার হাঁটতে যাওয়ার অভিজ্ঞতা नहीं चाहिए भैया।
তুলছে হাতে হাঁপাচ্ছে তুমি কেন?
Amir originally was the capital of the state before Jaipur. It is an old fort built in 1592 by Raja Man Singh, and Raja Jai Singh I expanded and renovated it later. This fort is also very popularly known as the Amir Palace or Amber Palace. It is beautiful on inside and consists of main three popular buildings like Diwani Am, Sis Mahal and Sukh Mahal. The Amir Fort has influence of both Hindu and Muslim architecture. Basically, Mughal architecture greatly influenced the architectural style of several buildings of the fort. The entry fee of Amir Fort is ₹100 per person for Indian. This fort also has Siladevi Temple and Ganesh Pool, which is a gate that leads to the private palaces of the king. You can enjoy music and light show every day at 7:30 pm. The entry fee of light show is ₹200. Next destination is Pannaminaka Kund, situated just 1 kilometer away from Amir Fort. A square-shaped stepwell with stair on all four sides. You can rent a colorful umbrella like this only for ₹10 for photography. পরবর্তী গন্তব্য সিটি প্যালেস। You can also visit Jal Mahal on the way to City Palace. Jal Mahal is situated at Mansaraba Lake. It was built in 18th century by Maharaja II Jai Singh to spend time with the Queen. The palace, built in red sandstone, is a 5-storied building, out of which 4 floors remain underwater when lake is full. And yes, this is the heart of Jaipur, the City Palace. Famous for its magnificent architecture, the perfect combination of Rajput, Mughal and European style. As you enter the City Palace, Diwani Am is the first thing you see. It is an open hall where the king used to listen to the problem of the common people. This area is called Pritam Niwas Chowk. This place has 4 gates that represent all 4 seasons and each dedicated for a god. Next is Chandra Mahal, named after the wife of Jai Singh II, Chandra Kamal. This part of Mahal is called Mubarak Mahal. All the guests were taken and greeted here in traditional Rajputana style. From City Palace, you can visit Jantar Mantar. It is largest stone astronomical observatory in the world. Maharaja Jai Singh II was a great scholar and passionate astrologer. He designed the largest observatory in the world, which is now UNESCO World Heritage Site. With the help of these instruments, events like local time, planetary position, and eclipse can be worked out. It is now time for sunset and some chill time. Hawa Mall के सामने there is a place called as Tattoo Cafe, which is a perfect place for sundown. Good food, good drink, and just आराम से enjoy करो the views of Hawa Mall. Yes, this is perfect place for sunset in Jaipur. The entire palace of Hawa Mall has 953 windows, যেগুলোকে ঝাড়ুঘাসও বলা হয়, আর এই উইন্ডো দিয়ে খুব সুন্দর ঠান্ডা হাওয়া আসে। which keeps the entire palace cool. The main reason was that the royal ladies of Rajput were not allowed to go outside and couldn't show their face in public. For that reason, through these jharokas, they used to watch procession and hustle and bustle of the city. Today our first destination is Galtaji. It is an ancient Hindu temple about 10 km away from Jaipur. Built within mountain pass, Galtaji famous for its history, holy kund and strategic significance. This temple is also known for Monkey Temple. আর তার কারণটা তোমরা নিজেরাই দেখে নাও। This monument, which could will be mistaken for an exquisite palace, is the Jaipur's oldest museum. Albert Hall Museum is a marvel of architecture and the heart of Jaipur city. আর হ্যাঁ, জয়পুরের এই 3 দিনের ট্রিপের পর আমি অবশ্যই বলবো, whenever next time you visit Rajasthan, expect the unexpected. ও क्या कहते हैं ना, রাজস্থান না জানি क्या दिख जाए. I hope guys you enjoyed the video. কেমন লাগলো কমেন্ট করে জানাও আর প্লিজ লাইক শেয়ার অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব। দেখা হচ্ছে নেক্সট ভিডিও।